There are days I feel so trapped between four walls and shadowed black. My heart is dry like cracked dry land. I just want once to break and run. Out there the wind still calls. The distant sky now waits. I wanna be like a bird in flight, fly over land still burning with fire, over the ruins, fragile and slight, to see love opening the door wide. Fly to green fields, prairies so vast, through deep forests and blue mountain range, out to the sea, gentle waves at last, to hear the world's peace, so sweet and strange. I carry all those days confined, release them to the drifting wind, so my heart's light as morning smoke, drifting where light has never broke. But why does the sky still lock me in? Why did life tear apart every dream? I cried so much in silence, now I give back every single wound. I hate the days I was afraid, I hate those invisible walls, but hate is also a cage. I wanna be like a bird in flight, fly over every land still torn apart, carry a tiny seed of hope, scatter it where bare feet grow, fly somewhere pain no longer stays, where tears don't fall in silent haze. Only a miracle of joy remains, blooming like flowers in young veins. If one day I can truly fly, I'll keep this song of mine about a beautiful world above, free and full of love. There are days I feel so trapped between four walls and shadowed black. My heart is dry like cracked dry land. I just want once to break and run. Out there the wind still calls, the distant sky now waits. I wanna be like a bird in flight, fly over land still burning with fire, over the ruins, fragile and slight, to see love opening the door wide. Fly to green fields, prairies so vast, through deep forest and blue mountain range, out to the sea, gentle waves at last, to hear the like a bird in flight. Fly over land, still burning with fire. Over the ruins, fragile and slight. To see love open the door wide. Fly green fields, prairies so vast. Through deep forests and blue mountain range. Out to the sea, gentle waves at last. To hear the world's peace, so sweet and strange. I carry all those days confined, release them to the drifting wind. So my heart's light as morning smoke, drifting where light has never broke. Out there the wind still calls, the distant sky now waits. I wanna be like a bird in flight. Fly over lands, still burning with fire. Over the ruins, fragile and slight. To see love opening the door wide. I'm just a bird and I deserve